Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Isaac. Hope you're all doing great. So if it's your first time of clicking on my video, hello, thank you for clicking, you're welcome. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious easy yam balls. If you want to see how I achieve this crunchy yam balls, do stick with me. Let's do this together. So as you can see, I'm using one whole yam, and I'm also going to use some golden bread crumbles. I'm going to use some evaporated milk and some other ingredients that are not here. You're going to be seeing them, and I'll surely make sure I drop all the list of the ingredients I use on the description box so you can access them. So I have peeled my yam, I have washed them and sliced it into very little pieces. I'm adding a very little salt for it to have a very nice taste, and I'm going to cover and leave it to cook for 20-25 minutes. So in here I have one onion, one scotch bonnet pepper. I love spicy food, guys. So, and I'm also using some 2 eggs. Right now my yam is properly cooked. I have drained off all the excess water, so I'm just using my potato masher to mash my yam. I'm not going to let it to be very smooth. I'm just going to mash it, and you're going to see the consistency of how my yam is going to come up now. So at this point my yam is properly mashed. I'm not going to mash it furthermore as I don't want it to be very smooth. So you can see how it is right now. That is the consistency that I want my yam to be. So I'm adding some of the evaporated milk. When you're adding, please make sure you don't add a lot so your yam will be easy for you to mold. Just add little by little till you achieve the consistency that you want. So I'm adding my scotch bonnet pepper and onion that I blend. I didn't use water to blend it as I don't want it to be very soft. I'm just adding in some black pepper. I'm adding 1 little mangi, half of a mangi. That's optional, but I love to add it to give it a very nice taste also. So I'm adding a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and I'm just going to use my spoon to mix it properly. I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together with the yam. And I'm going to make use of 2 egg yolk, but I would advise, preferably guys, if you're making exact the same size as mine, I would advise you use just 1 egg yolk so it won't be very soft. But lucky me, I was having extra boiled yam. I just mashed more and add to it. You can see right here it was so soft. So I would advise you use just 1 egg yolk. So right now I'm just going to use my hand to mold my yam. If you're making for like a visitor or you're making for someone, I would advise you get your kitchen glove and protect your hand, but I'm making for just myself. And make sure I wash my hands properly, and I'm just using my hand to mold it. That's my breadcrumbs over there. This is 1 egg I have here. I just whisk it to use it as my egg wash. So I'm just going to keep on molding all the yam into balls. You can mold them into any size you want, into any shape. So I'm molding in some balls and some croquette size. And when molding your yam, do try not to let it to be very big. Just try and mold it into some little desired size so it will be able for it to cook properly inside. You don't want to make your yam balls, the outside will be burnt while the inside is still not properly cooked. So you're just going to make sure it's not very big. So I'm just adding in my breadcrumbs. So guys, if you do like this recipe, please don't hesitate to hit that red button that says subscribe, and when you click on the button you'll see a bell icon. Just click on the bell so you'll never miss any of my videos. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. So guys, I'm just going to keep on doing that, and I'm just going to put in some hot oil in my pot so it will start getting hot. Yeah, so I have in some oil that's already hot at this moment. I'm just adding in my yam balls into the hot oil. You're going to make sure you have enough oil that will cover the top of the yam balls because you don't want them to dissolve inside your oil. So at this point I'm going to make sure my fire is on medium heat because I don't want the bread crumbs to be burnt while the yam inside is still not cooked. So I'm just going to reduce my heat and let it cook properly. So guys, that's it. This is about 5 minutes and that's how my yam balls look like. It looks very crunchy on the outside and the inside looks so deliciously moist. Oh my goodness, guys, you need to try this recipe. You need to give this a try and enjoy your yam in a different way. So I'm just going to put in the second batch. You can see my oil is not very hot, as I want the inside of this yam balls to be properly cooked. So I'm just going to keep on dropping it and make sure my oil is not too hot, as I said earlier. Wow guys, just take a look at the color, just take a look at the crunchiness of this yam balls. Oh my goodness, this looks so inviting. Yeah, so guys, that's the end result of my yam balls. I made 2 different shapes. I made a round ball shape and I also made some croquette shape. So guys, I just made 2 different types in case my kids liked the balls or the croquette, anyone, and I tell you guys, they really did enjoy this yam balls. We all did enjoy it. So guys, if you love this recipe, please don't forget to hit the red button, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. Do drop me a comment on my comment section if you like me to make any recipe, and don't forget to hit that like button if you did like this video. Thank you very much. Till I see you on my next video, have a lovely day. As usual, always smile, be happy. Bye.